So in this video, we're going to go through how to do a z-test for two sample means. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go under our data tab. We're going to look for data analysis, and let's just go into there first. So when we scroll all the way down, we'll see z-test, two sample for means. So we're going to press OK. And the first thing we can see is variable ranges, which is OK. Our hypothesized mean difference, which we're going to assume is 0 here. And we need two variances. So let's go back and let's calculate our variances first. Now, an easy way to do this is we can press into our table that's already here, go to table design, tick our total row, and then you'll see we'll get an extra row here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to press into this, press this drop down, and we're going to look for var. And that here will give us the variance for male sleep duration. And in this cell, we'll do the same var. So now we have our two variance calculations that we needed. So now we can go back and run our test. So we'll press into data. Under data analysis, once again, we're going to go z-test for two sample means. Let's delete this range and let's highlight everything in this first column. So we're going to press into the cell, Control-Shift down arrow, and that'll highlight everything. And let's actually shift up one so we don't highlight this cell. We can then do the same here, scroll back to the top, let's press into here, Control-Shift down arrow, and then up arrow once, and that'll give us the highlight. Now, what we're going to do now is add in our variances. So our variance in the first cell is going to be 2.25, and our variance 2 is going to be 2.2. Now, our alpha usually be pre-filled at 0.05, but we're going to add that in here. And our output, we're going to do new worksheet, and let's call it z-test results. And we can press OK. And here we get our z-test results.